got some silicone and some self-tappers. We're going right to the roof. Right to the roof. We don't even care.
Your hands in the motherfucking
So we're back with a surprise little project. Actually, we weren't even planning to do this. We went to the junkyard to check out some carnage over there and see what we could find as far as like random crap that we could throw on the Durango. And we found a roof rack for an X-terra. So we took it off the X-terra and we're like, I wonder if it'll fit a Durango. So we actually walked over to another Durango and we put it on top of the roof and it fit, sort of. Well, sort of.
Kind of.
We're gonna need a little bit of modifications, but here's the beauty right here. And our grand total for the project was
$35.
Yeah. So we YouTube, but we Googled how much the actual rack is online, and you were able to find just the baskets for like $100 and something.
Yeah.
So I don't know how the basket's gonna fit. We might have to like space it out and bring it up, but this is gonna give me something to mount light bars on the roof, facing back and facing forwards. So yeah, I mean, this is Nissan X-terra, so I'll follow along.
Yours came right off. Yeah, this is the same trouble I had last time.
Just hit it. Sweet, got it. All day long.
Hang on, I don't know where you're going. I'm not that big.
All right, let's see, flop it down. Yeah, we're too far off over there. Bring this in a little. See, so I think these, I'm just gonna remove. I don't like the fact that it's touching the roof, because that's gonna
Scratch it.
rub through the paint, yeah. I mean, unless we go even higher.
You can't really go higher. So.
Actually, dude, I have an idea. Lift that up a little bit,
What?
the actual basket. What if we cut the top of the basket off completely and just literally mount it like this to the actual bars? You see what I'm saying? With self-tappers?
Like, eliminate from here up?
Like, cut this curve off. Just go straight right across and cut it, and then just literally self-tap it like this. Sweet. We're up. Awesome. All right, special effects camera set up here. Sweet. So here, stop moving. All right, so here I got 1 inch to the edge. 1 inch to the edge. And then from the front, I have 7.5. So here, we have a little more than 1 inch, so we gotta come a quarter this way. I think that'll be alright. So, right about there. An inch and a quarter, and then here, got 7.5. Here, inch and a quarter. Still at 7.5. Big glob of silicone. Soft tapper. There we go.
No turning back now.
Nope.
Hope you don't hit any wires.
I'm hoping that too.
Here, just.
Getting silicone all over.
How many of those batteries you got?
A lot. What the hell? We're not going in.
It's happened before.
What the fuck am I drilling into?
Hardened steel.
There's no way for me to get into this.
You might have to drill a hole first.
No hole needed.
This shit don't leak. Oh, you got silicone in there.
Yeah. I'll try using this one.
There you go.
Nice. All the silicone just came out. So what are the chances this came through the headliner? I didn't even look. Oh, we're good. Let's see. Structural integrity. Bro, it ain't going nowhere.
I'm just saying, I would feel more better with the middle ones. That's all I'm saying.
This is solid.
I'm just saying, man. The middle. I feel better if the middle were on. All right, now let's work on that basket.
Let's work on the basket.
Here. If you want to press hard.
That's what she said. That's pretty straight, dude.
I got a razor blade if you need one.
I got one too. Dude, that's as straight as it's gonna get. Come in the shot here.
I still think you should mark it.
Why?
Just make sure it's level.
I'm using the actual thing as a guide.
Yeah, all right.
Look at how straight that is. It's perfect. So that's good. And honestly, I don't think we should even bother cutting this off.
I'm not saying cut it off. I'm saying
Trim it.
yeah, like straight across.
I don't think we need to.
Well, let's see. Let's cut off first. It's coming to pieces already.
No. Look at that. That actually works.
They're aluminum.
See? No.
Hey, you're on the roof.
I know. Bam.
That one was super easy.
Dude, this is perfect.
Yeah?
Good job, Jason. It's all you.
Yeah. You can even mount it to this. Look.
That's what I was thinking of doing.
What size you got? I got a couple.
I got a couple. Let's see what a 30 inch is gonna look like. Bro, I think we found it.
Yeah, because you're here and here.
Alright, so this is a 30 incher. That's what we're gonna mount. Alright, so we use the brackets with a 30 inch light bar to get the light bar on here.
Okay, that's as tight as it's gonna go.
How's it higher on one side?
See? That's what I was telling you. What you said.
Is that better or more?
It looks fine to me, but here, why don't I tighten it and you look?
I think it's good. I trust it.
It looks so big, so massive. I don't know, man. I'm still saying those middle supports. I still think you should use those middle supports.
So you're saying we're gonna drill some more holes into my roof?
Well, you already drilled through. I'm just saying it's for. I like structure. You know, if you put something up there that has at least a little bit of weight, you know, it'll help. Pipe only goes for so, you know. Plus, it kind of completes the look.
Alright, so Jason convinced me that we need to put the middle support in the middle. So I'm doing it. I'm drilling more holes into the seal, into the roof.
It's still there.
So this is the combination that Jason and I came up. We came up with using one light bar in the middle and then two dualies either turned or not turned.
I think it's good. If you tuck it in, so basically you're gonna have to mount it.
I don't tuck it in, Jay.
We're gonna have to mount it.
I don't fucking tuck it in.
You're gonna have to mount the bar over it, so you're gonna make sure it.
This?
Yeah, yeah. So it's hidden by the bar. So obviously you got to screw it into that cross plate first, the crossbar first. And with the angle of the crossbar, are you even able to do that?
Huh?
With the angle of the crossbar, are you even able to do that? Is it thick enough?
Yeah, I think so. I'll just do it like this. It should hold. I'll use the same big ass tapper.
All right.
Alright, let's do it. So I think that's good.
Professional.
What's professional? So here's a walk around. Got the 3 facing rear LEDs. New experiment. We have the model in the background showing off how beautiful our installation is. Make sure that you subscribe to. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! All right, let me try that again. Cut. Make sure you subscribe to my. Fuck again. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, make sure you share and give me a thumbs up, and we'll have more videos coming up on the Durango. And yeah, this was kind of an unexpected project that we just both kind of like, whoa, let's do this.
$35.
$35. $35. I cannot be happier. All right, I'll take some pictures. Make sure you check those out after the video. And yeah, Later, guys.
Your hands in the motherfucking air.